In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install n8n locally on our local computer. It's very simple and easy. Most of the time, I see people are misguiding with lots of things. But here, I'm going to show you the straight way to start the installation this thing locally and run n8n locally. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first, we need to install one software that is called Node.js. So this is the Node.js. We can install Node.js different ways. We can click this download button, and from here we can choose the version. Right now n8n is supported by 20, 22 and 17. These three versions so far I know. So you have to download exactly that version, otherwise it will not work. So I'm using like 20 version, for example this one. And there are different ways we can install Node.js. We can directly download the installer and we can start the installation, or the other approach is using homebrew if you are using macOS. I'm using macOS, so I'm going to use this option macOS. Then using here I'm going to use brew, that is homebrew, and npm, that is fine. And here is the command we need to type. So at first we need to download homebrew like this, and then we have to install by this command, and then we can verify this thing here. But here is the catch. Sometimes you install like different version of Node.js. So if you try to install this way, it will work, but after that you need to do something. So let me show you those things. So at first we need to install Node.js. I told you, you already need to install first that thing. You can either download this version from here, or you can write this command to start the installation of homebrew. And after that we need to open the terminal here. So once you open the terminal, then we need to type this command brew install node at 20, this one, and then we have to hit return key or enter key of our keyboard, and very shortly you will see it is starting the installation of Node.js. So once it finished installation, right now we have two Node.js. I'm going to show you node space dash dash version. So see, here I install this version 20, but 25 is there. So we need to make it mandatory that this version will work, not 20 instead of 25. So we need to type this command. So I'm going to copy this command and pasting it over here, and then hit return key. Now if we start typing node then space dash dash version, we'll see that version is there, version 20. Okay, now this is the command we need to use to install n8n globally. I'm going to copy this thing and then I'm going to paste it and then hit return key, and it will take some time. Generally it takes like 1 minute to 3 minutes. It depends on your computer speed and internet speed. Once the installation is successful, then we'll get this type of message that it's done. Now what we need to do, we need to run it. We have to type the command n8n and then hit return key, and it will start running the application. It will take some time, like few seconds. After that you will see this link is there. So we just need to copy this thing. Now we need to open this URL in a browser. So I'm going to use Chrome browser, and once it is open, then I'm going to paste the URL and then hit return key, and very shortly we'll see n8n is there. That means our n8n is installed successfully and it is running here. Now we need to create an admin account. Here it is showing setup owner account, and then we can use this n8n very easily. I completed typing my email, first name, last name, and a password. Remember, password is this way: 8+ characters, at least on number and on capital. You must have to make sure password is in this format, and then hit the next button. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be looking like this. Now just click get started. You don't need to complete anything, and here you just need to press this skip button, and very shortly you will see like this. And that's it. In this way we can very easily install this n8n locally on our computer, and after that we can do everything whatever we want to do. So that's it, and it's very simple and easy. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to do this thing very easily within few minutes.